So, as part of our mission to speed up the adoption of today's technology, you've got to focus on the power of video. It's one of these media that I'm never comfortable in front of. I'm certainly not polished at it. But the point is, this is me. This is real. This is our business. You're talking to someone that's passionate about what they do. If you can actually get your experts in front of a camera talking about things that they're passionate about and get it to the your target audience, that is gold dust. Because once you've got your expert talking about the thing that they do day in day out, the chances are they're probably one of the world's deepest experts in that area, and clients love that. So if you're going through the whole kind of know, like, and trust cycle, they're getting to know the expert, not the sales team, not the CEO, but the guy that actually drives the day-to-day business, the guy that actually kind of built the product or delivers the service. Getting them talking allows for real life stories. The kind of lessons learned, the kind of human side that is going to help with any sales cycle. So you're building through the know, like, and trust cycle. But organizations are very afraid of video, and I've got no idea why. Um, it's almost like you're hiding your best assets if you're not putting your key people in front of the camera and showing them off for all the skills they've got. And it's not a beauty contest, but how you look, what you say is kind of, how it sounds is kind of, we're all going to stutter. But the key thing is your expert is going to show very easily their dominance of their space, and that is going to shorten any sales cycle. And the worst thing we see happening is that companies do half a step. So, for example, they run a webinar, which is the right thing to do. Be running webinars is important. But you've taken the first step with video, but then you do nothing with the video. You don't, it's put on the website and it's kind of, that's it. But, maybe someone who knows your company already finds it there. But you're not then leveraging the content and getting your expert information out to the audience you want to get it to. So your webinar, you're not, people are not doing a transcription of it and turning it into an article. People are not taking the excerpts and putting it into social media, the 45-second soundbite or the 20-second soundbite. They're then not taking the key quotes or the key messages and putting it onto social media or newsletters. And even if they are doing that, there's no call to action that takes them back to more information about your company, more information about your product, or free download. And as I'm going to talk about in the next video, data gets lost all the way along. So you've created a great video, but you're doing nothing with it. You're making it difficult to digest. And if you can address that and distribute it, that's part of the problem. But then you need to focus on the data you're going to get out of the back of it. And that's where you start to really transcend opportunities.